The NEXTCAR program is sponsored by or is funded by the Department of Energy through the Advanced Research Programs Agency, ARPA-E. The goals of this particular program are to reduce the energy consumption of vehicles through technologies using connected and autonomous vehicle technologies. The goal of the program is a 20% energy reduction. Most of that will come from fuel reduction, and 6% of that will come from extending the range of the electrical portion. We're embedding new intelligence in the vehicle so it can be smarter without the operator or driver needing to know what to do to really extend the electrical energy range and reduce fuel consumption.
And at GM, we are very excited to partner with Michigan Tech and the Department of Energy. Anytime that we can improve fuel economy by 20% is a great thing.
So our next steps are really focusing on putting this technology onto the road. We're doing close course testing and actual real-world testing to characterize this technology in the outside world environment to confirm whether or not it's actually going to work. We're trying to prove that we can save 20%, and we're actually going to show it in the real world.
Let me show you some of the components in the NEXTCAR instrumentation package. So here we have our micro Autobox dSPACE. That inputs all the sensors and drives any actuators. It also interfaces back to the host PC, and all the communication between the dSPACE and the host PC are done over those cables. We also have signal conditioning for our thermocouples. We have a receiver for our GPS unit, power distribution, and CAN controllers.
Pilot Systems wouldn't have known exactly what MTU needed without us having a really close relationship and developing a strong bond so that we can understand MTU's needs and really be able to bring our expertise to make sure we deliver those in a clever and innovative way. dSPACE also help because they bring a lot of the implementation. They make a lot of that implementation easy with the hardware that they've produced, and they've helped us produce efficient ways to make sure that we read the inputs and provide the outputs in a way that MTU can use.
So it's really amazing what this technology is going to bring to the world. We really expect to see some of this technology rolled into production vehicles in the short term, and so we're excited to be working with Pilot Systems and dSPACE to make that happen.